How's it going, guys? Back again with a new toy today. So, you read the box, Rough Rider, small bore revolver. But, let's look at the rest of it here. Look at this thing. Let's take a peek, shall we? It's not just any Rough Rider. Here is some instructions. Also, right now they have a sale going on where you get a $20 mail-in rebate with any of these Heritage Rough Rider revolvers. So, now's the time to grab you one. I think it's to the 31st, I believe. They're having the sale. It's sometime in July. It's till the sale's done. You could look on their website. And yeah, $25 mail-in rebate right now, plus the gun store I got this from was actually having a sale on it, so it was only $1.99. So this is a 22 long rifle version, and you can get the Magnum cylinder for it. They sell them at Academy. They sold them there too. I just didn't get it today, but it's $30 for the Magnum cylinder as well. So let's take a peek at this big boy. Look at this thing. Let's unwrapper it. Look at this thing. What? It keeps coming. Here we go. Now we're getting to the business. So I have the 1776 grips there. They had the other one. They're like, I guess some kind of rosewood or something. Was the other option. So let's take a peek at this thing. We have a 16-inch barrel, like I said. Blade sight at the end, regular. It's like a regular Heritage revolver, but you know, it's got the ridiculously long barrel like Joker in Batman. Whoops. Got for the camera mount. So these are single action. This has a safety up here. Flips up and down like so. In order to load this, you cock the hammer back, you do a half cock, open the loading gate, and the cylinder rotates. To unload, you do the same thing and you push this bar here, and it's gonna eject the shell. As you can see though, there's this little orange thing right there, so it's not gonna let that happen right now. I'll have to take that out. Anyway. Once it's locked and loaded, you pull it all the way back, boom, pull the trigger. Pull it back, boom, pull the trigger. Single action. Seems built really well. I mean, I know they had a few hiccups with these recently. I'm hoping they got it all figured out. I know they used to make really good revolvers. Everybody was really happy with them. I remember when they first came out, they were like right around $100. No more, but I mean, the grips are on there solid. It's metal, unlike, let me see, one second. So, I have this Ruger Wrangler that I bought a while ago. I don't think I showed you guys that yet. But I bought this one because I like the burnt bronze color. That was a factor. The other factor was I like the idea that with the Ruger Wrangler, the cylinders released there, you don't have to have it in half cock. The loading gate will actually make it to where the cylinder can rotate. So it's basically like a free spin. And there's no safety, like this has got that goofy safety right there. It's just blocks the firing pin pretty much. Anyway, this one unloads the same way too. The bar that goes through the cylinder. I went and shot this, and I was not really a fan because you have to make sure that it's like not in between notches when you go to cock it, because otherwise it won't. I don't know if maybe something's wrong with this one, or maybe it's just operator error. I don't know, but you basically had to, it won't fire like that. But you won't be able to cock it either unless the cylinder's in the right spot. Like it won't auto index it, I guess. See? What I did, it's in between cylinders now. Can't cock it. So you gotta move it. I guess it's just an extra annoying step, but it is what it is. Gun fired good. Didn't have any problems with that. And it feels like it's made really good. I think this is some kind of, maybe some kind of aluminum or something. It's got that Cerakote job on there. Looks cool. I don't regret buying it, but that's one of the things that aggravates me about it. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this crazy thing. So let's get that orange deal out of there. It's hard to do on camera. Hold on. Okay, that was quite the pain in the butt to get that out, but it's new. That's the only problem there. That you don't need that anymore. That's a new chamber flag, whatever you want to call it. So to put it back in, to take it out, you push this button here. Got it in safety and your half cock position. Push this here, and then this pin is what goes through the cylinder like that, and you got to wiggle that out. Mine was pretty stiff. Don't give up on it. It reloads the opposites. Push that back in there. And you got to wiggle till it gets in the right spot. There we go. In all the way. We're spinning good. Indexes and everything. Nice. So yeah. So I like that it auto indexes. Unlike the Wrangler, I guess you got to take one for the other. You're either reloading at half cock or not. So there's that. Pretty cool though. What do you guys think? This is why I got this, so you know. Not this, but somebody wants a holster made for it, so stay tuned. I'll have holsters come in soon. A little different than that, but holsters coming soon with it. Let me know what you think. You guys have this guy? Would you rather shoot the Magnum out of it? I'm going to get that Magnum cylinder soon. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching.